ProjectManager.com is one of the most popular project management tools out there, but before making the commitment, here are 12 things you need to know. While it offers some strong features, it's essential to compare it with other options in the market. Let's dive in. First off, ProjectManager.com excels in offering a wide range of project tracking features like Gantt charts, task management, and time tracking, making it a robust solution for team management. However, while it offers comprehensive tracking tools, some competitors like Monday.com or Asana might feel more intuitive for beginners due to their simpler interfaces. Next thing you should consider, its integration capabilities. ProjectManager.com offers integrations with tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Microsoft Teams, which is fantastic for teams already using these apps. But if you rely on more niche software, some competitors provide a broader selection of integrations, so you'll want to evaluate if those extra integrations are crucial for your workflow. The third thing to consider is pricing. ProjectManager.com can get pretty expensive as your team grows, especially when you need advanced features. While it's still more affordable than some premium project management tools, other alternatives, like ClickUp, provide similar features at a lower price, or even offer free plans with solid functionality. Another point worth mentioning is ease of use. ProjectManager.com provides a lot of features, but this can overwhelm new users or teams without a dedicated project manager. Competitors like Trello are simpler and might be better for smaller teams or users just starting to manage projects. The fifth thing to know is the reporting functionality. ProjectManager.com has strong reporting capabilities, providing detailed insights on project progress and team productivity. If reports are a key aspect of your decision, however, you may want to look into Wrike, which offers more customizable reports. Next thing is mobile access. ProjectManager.com has a solid mobile app that allows for managing tasks on the go. However, some users report that the app isn't as fluid as competitors like Basecamp, where the mobile experience feels more streamlined and intuitive. The seventh thing to consider is its learning curve. Given its wide range of features, it may take some time for you and your team to fully grasp how to use everything effectively. Tools like Team Gantt are simpler and quicker to pick up if you need a solution that won't slow down your workflow. Another key aspect is customer support. ProjectManager.com offers good support, including live chat and email, but you may find that some competitors, like Smartsheet, offer more hands-on training options, which can be helpful if you're new to project management tools. The ninth thing to consider is its task management system. ProjectManager.com offers solid features for creating tasks and assigning them to team members. However, it might not be as visually engaging as Asana, which provides a more customizable task board that allows for easier collaboration. The 10th thing to mention is team collaboration. While ProjectManager.com does offer features like discussion boards and file sharing, some tools like Monday.com excel in making collaboration feel more natural and immediate with features like real-time updates and visual cues on tasks. The 11th thing is scalability. ProjectManager.com is flexible and scalable for both small teams and large enterprises, but as your business grows, you might want to check out Wrike, which offers more specialized tools for scaling, especially in large teams working on multiple projects at once. Lastly, let's talk about security. ProjectManager.com offers strong security features, including two-factor authentication, but you may find that other competitors like Smartsheet have more robust security protocols tailored to specific industries, if that's something you're looking for. In conclusion, ProjectManager.com is a solid option for teams looking for comprehensive project management tools with solid reporting and task tracking. However, if you're seeking a more user-friendly, affordable, or scalable alternative, check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see if it's the better fit for your needs.